Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss how to use countif and countifs formulas. In my previous video, I already discussed how to use count, counta, count blank. If anyone not seen that, I will throw you that video on iCards. You can see there. So this is Viru Vemla. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Let's come to the topic. Today we have the sales data. Based on this sales data, so we can arrive how to use countif and countifs formulas. So if you want to give any condition in count, means we have to use countif formula. Let's see here. So suppose if you want, we just want to know how many apples are sold, how many employees are sold apples based on this sales data. We can arrive. Suppose countif bracket start. So what it is, formula is saying, first formula is saying to select the range. So this is the range and freeze the data, comma, and what is the criteria here? Apple is the criteria. So select that one and close the bracket and press enter. So 2 it is coming. So let's check in this data. So many of them sold. So total 2 employees are sold. So in this way we can use countif formula. Suppose what if you have more than one condition. So if it is more than one condition, means we have to use countifs formula. So is equal to countifs criteria range 1. What is the criteria range 1 is here is the product, and comma, what is the criteria 1 is apple is the criteria 1. We have to select this. So what is the criteria range? So zone is the criteria range, comma, so zone, we have to select the zone here. So we just want to know how many employees are sold apples in east zone, means it is having more than one condition. So for that we have to use countifs formula. Hope this video will have, for your easy reference, I already included formulas here. Hope this video will helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thank you very much.